any noise.
No, if you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. If you count the flash, the sound, it's about each mile. The rate sound travels. You're missing a good one.
Forward and forward?
What?
Is it going to come forward and forward? Oh, it's that move.
Actually, it's a pretty strong one. Okay, so it's about 5 miles away.
Yay! Wouldn't it be crazy if lightning hit my butt?
Here. Oh, no.
Is it going away?
No, actually, it would probably last for 20, 30 minutes. It usually lasts for 20 or 30 minutes, and then it burns off. You see the red hue on the sky?
Yeah.
That's from a fire or kinetic energy.
It's not making any noise, it's just doing flashes.
Okay, that's heat lightning. Wow, it's really cool. This is really good. For our area, oh, look at them. For our area, we don't get a lot of heat lightning anymore. And usually the flashes are like minutes apart, and these are like close together, like that. I'm gonna take another look. Take it from over here.
Are we allowed?
Oh yeah.
Like to get on the lawn? Is it to get on the lawn? Daddy, isn't it good on the lawn here?
If you want to, I don't see an issue. But usually it's better to kind of stay in the gutter. If they have a problem, we'll come say something.
Okay.
They might.
Whoa, I saw that.
Brilliant. Brilliant. But you know that redness,
Yeah.
we might have a dust storm. Okay. Jacob?
Yeah.
The distance is still about 5 miles. Lightning can actually strike sometimes 10 miles away from where the storm actually is. So even when it's far away,
Are we 10 miles from where it actually is?
or within 5 miles,
So it would go over us?
it could.
They're freaking me out now.
No, it's safe. It's mostly heat lightning. Heat lightning doesn't hit the ground, it stays within the clouds.
Remember, what if we get struck by lightning?
No, heat lightning you don't get struck by because it stays in the clouds.
I saw that.
That was good. That was good. That was really good.
Let me see a big one. Big one.
Well, Jacob, actually, you might get lucky because it's coming from the south. Or building from. Yeah, heat lightning doesn't make sounds. Fork lightning does. Jacob, it's even flashing over there.
What?
That lightning's hitting, boy.
It's doing pretty good today.
Yeah, it's coming more this way, too.
Brilliant.
Yeah. You can see it down there.